Hi, this is Kunal Shah, Director of Tele Switch Private Limited. The migration from Navision to Business Central was a significant change for our team. However, we are glad that Intech was there to guide us throughout the process. They helped us create a tailor-made solution to our needs. The cloud-based ERP solution is turning out to be very helpful to complete team, as some of them are working from the remote offices and some of them are working from home also. I thank the Intech management also, who ensured timely execution of the complete project and within our budget. I recommend Intech highly to anyone seeking migration from Navision to Business Central or any other IT services. Thank you.